Hello friends, you are welcome to this part of the series, and today I'll be showing you how to use AI to create softwares such as web app or website or any kind of software you can think of. So now the tool for this mini project is a text editor, which could be Notepad plus plus or Visual Studio Code. For me, I'll be using Notepad plus plus. I will also need a chat bot. For me, I'll be using ChatGPT. You have others, you can use them as well, but I prefer ChatGPT. And also a browser. So you have different browser, you can use any one of your choice to launch the result of our code generate or the code being generated. So now let's get started. What do we need first? We have to generate our code. Now let's assume we want to build a single page website, right? A single page website. So what is a single page website? It's just a single page that will contain home, products, our services, or contacts. So those things, any of them, if you are using just 3 or more than what I just listed, everything will be in one page. That's just the concept. So how do we go about it? Now I will use ChatGPT to generate the code, which is the major work. So I have to enter chatgpt.com, right? So I log into chatgpt. Enter the chatgpt.com website, and right here you see that I'm already logged in. So whether you are logged in or not, you can still do whatever you want to do. But if you are logged in, it's better. So now I'll tell ChatGPT what I want to do. Now there's no hard and fast rule about this. You can describe it the way you understand, right? I want to create a single page website which will contain the following, right? So home, products, contact, right? So after typing that, we click go. So wait for our code to be generated. So now the code is being generated now. So when this small rectangle changes, that means it has finished generating. So you can just scroll down to get a glimpse of the code, but after that you just come to click copy code. So we'll copy our code. The code has been generated and we've copied it. So the next step is to place it in our code editor, and we are using Notepad++. If you are using VS Code, you paste it. Whatever editor you are using, you paste it there. So I come to my Notepad++, create a new page, then paste my code here. The one thing I need to do is to save it, which is very important. Click File, take Save As. So under the Save As, you type the name. Let's say my single page, right? That's the name of my file. But before I type this name, I'm supposed to select where I want to save it to. So me, I'm saving it into a folder inside the document. So I'll select document, then trace that folder. I think that folder should be something related to so no, I think I have a folder like AI powered software. Yes, so double click on it. This is what we're supposed to do first: selecting the folder, then we enter the file name here and the file type, which is very important. So since we are creating an HTML file, it will be in HTML format, and that will be looking for hypertext markup language, which you can see here, hypertext markup language. So I'll select it, then click save. So I've saved the file. So because I saved it in HTML format, that's why you see that it formatted some place with special colors, right? So that's it. So now I have to locate the file where I saved it to. Remember, I saved it to document, and inside document, I saved it to AI powered software folder inside document, which you can see there. So double click on this, and this is the file. So now let's launch. If I want to launch it, I can just double click on it and it will use the default browser to open it. But if I don't want to use that browser, which is Edge, maybe I want to use Chrome, I'll just right click and take open with and select Chrome. So let's see the result. This is the result. This is beautiful, right? So we have home, we have product, this is product, and we have contact. This is contact. So they are I think this will make use of the concept of section. So this section contains different color, this one different color, and different color. So they are all in one page, right? So don't be surprised. You can also use your AI to edit, which is the most important part. You can use it to edit. So let's assume now we have home, product, contact. Let's assume we also want to add another tab, maybe our services, right? Our services or history or anything we can think of. So if we want to add that, we go back to the chat GPT. So let's go back to chat GPT, which is this. This is my the same browser I use for the chat GTP. That's what I use for launching as well. So I can come here and say, please, sorry, I like using please sometimes, but it's not necessary. Add another tab, then put it in double quote, which will be our services, right? Double quote again. So we run it. So it will update the code so as to contain that additional tab. So I'm waiting for this box, this small rectangle, to disappear. So when it disappears, that means it has finished loading. So I'm still waiting till it has disappeared. So just copy. You can scroll to see the code first before you copy, right? So I'll just click copy code, take it to my text editor, then use it to replace what we have there before. Control A to select everything, delete and paste our new code, then click save. So we've already saved it before, so that's why we're not saving with the name again. We'll just save continuously. So after clicking save, now let's go back to our browser. And now we have home, product, and contact. So if we refresh, we should be having home, products, our services, and what? Contact. Then one little clue I want to give to you is that when you are editing, sometimes you can tell the program that you can tell ChatGPT that please don't alter anything, just add only this. So you have to be specific most time so that ChatGPT doesn't change the concept or what they've already done before. So this is a simple way to use the AI tech nowadays to create softwares. It is good news to know that the gap between an amateur and a professional has been reduced drastically with this technology. So see you in the next part of the series. Thank you.